been so dumbfounded. God damn it.
No wonder you never come in here with a guy. Jesus Christ. Is it your blue hair or your fucking bitchy attitude?
Hey. I don't ever come in here with a guy.
Hey,
Yeah, but we like you though. That's the thing. And yeah, you do. That's not true. You fucking came in here with a guy like.
Fuck yeah, it is. Wow. It's like metal with no distortion. Yeah. Because they just fucking shred.
Dude, when I was playing a lot, I was trying to get into jazz, like learning all the fucking theory.
Your hands hurt. Can you try to get all those fucking chords? Hell no.